Stop lying to yourself about willpower. You're not weak, you're not lazy, you're exhausted, mentally drained every damn day from decisions, distractions, from trying to juggle 100 priorities only to feel like you're getting nowhere. The truth is, willpower isn't some magical muscle you just flex harder. Neuroscience shows your brain has a finite amount of self-control. It gets depleted. It's why, after a hard day, that same task you crushed in the morning feels impossible at night. That's biology talking, not failure. But here's the kicker. Willpower is not about brute forcing your way through. It's about understanding how your brain actually works and then hacking it. Your prefrontal cortex, that top-level control center, consumes massive energy to keep you disciplined. When it's tired, your brain defaults to old habits, quick rewards, easy escapes. That's why you lose focus, procrastinate, or binge scroll. If you try to push through without respect for this system, you'll burn out fast. That's non-negotiable. So stop punishing yourself for lacking willpower. Instead, build your environment like a fortress designed to protect your focus. Remove temptations before you start working. Your brain can only hold so much control. Don't waste it defending against distractions you created yourself. Lock your phone away during deep work. Turn off meaningless notifications. Create mini rituals that signal your brain you're switching into work mode. These tiny hacks compound and save you mental energy. Second, rest is not optional. Your brain literally needs recovery to regenerate willpower. Skimping on sleep, skipping breaks, grinding nonstop. This is a direct line to willpower collapse. Neuroscience confirms that even brief mindfulness exercises recalibrate your brain's control centers. So learn to respect your downtime aggressively, or you'll never get traction. This isn't weakness, it's physics. Next, hydration and nutrition are underrated. Your brain thrives on steady fuel. Low blood sugar or dehydration slams the brakes on your self-control circuits. If you want steel willpower, treat your body like a high-performance machine because it is one. Don't wait until you're crashing to fix these basics. Build the habits now, before failure shows up. Also, break your goals into brutal, obvious steps, the kind of crystal-clear next action your brain can latch onto without confusion or debate. Overwhelm kills willpower faster than anything else. Chunk your work so your brain can say, "I can do this," instead of, "I'm drowning." Celebrate the tiny wins. Neurologically, every success releases dopamine, reinforcing your drive. This is the fuel you desperately need, so don't ignore it. Most importantly, stop believing willpower means doing it all alone. Your network, your team, the few people you trust, that's how you multiply willpower. Accountability isn't fluffy. It's a neurological game changer. Knowing someone else is watching, expecting, pushing you, changes your brain chemistry. Use that leverage ruthlessly. The bottom line, if frustration, rage, or shame have been your go-to emotions when willpower failed you, burn those feelings as a useless tax on your mind. You are not broken, you are not weak. Your brain is fighting a brutal battle to keep you on course. The only way to win is to hack the battlefield itself. Design your environment, rest strategically, fuel your body, simplify your tasks, and build unbreakable support around you. Do that, and you don't just build willpower, you become unstoppable. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.